and really treasure the scriptures. I share them here every other day because you could be full. You could have eaten a whole chicken, rice, and you're so full that you cannot take anything else, but yet you are so empty. You are still empty inside, you are still hopeless. Why? Because the food we eat is for the body, but the soul need the word of God to nourish and to flourish. And that is when you'll say you are living. In Matthew chapter 4, verse 4, the word reads, "Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of the Lord." Yes,